Is that because it's at the Bulbasaur section?
Alright guys, we are here with the Pokemon Europe Championship where we are actually having full swing everything in Pokemon. We're going to be checking out all the events, everything that's going on. We have Pokemon Unite, we have Pokemon Go, we have Pokemon TCG, we also have Pokemon Scarlet Violet with the VGC right now. There are tons of things inside, a few vendors, there's a Pokemon Center, there's also going to be a few things with side events for the public. So if you aren't a competitor yourself, you can actually come here, get a few points, and we're going to highlight everything with that inside. So let's get going. Here we have the main stage for all four of the main events. We have Go, we have Scarlet Violet, we have the TCG, and we have Pokemon Unite. Here you can have tons of public seating for everyone to be able to sit, cheer on their favorite teams, favorite players, and then just enjoy Pokemon.
My name is Scott McKnight, and with me as always is my partner in crime, Pepperbrook. Yeah, Scott, hey. Well, there's some electricity in the air.
That is some good, clean family fun there, eh, Scott?
Right you are.
Do you think this really can go all the way?
Yeah, for sure. I think I could go all the way.
That's rad.
If you didn't get a chance to register early, or if you got here on short notice, make sure you check out the side events. They have tons of events for TCG, for Pokemon Go, as well as VGC. And whether you brought your own competitive team, competitive deck, or using what they have with some building battles, some pick-a-packs, and also some chaos on the VGC. Use your points as you play and win, and you can use them to redeem some cool prizes here at the prize wall, whether it's TCG, video games, plushies, or more. We're at the Pokemon Play Lab as well as the Pokemon Center. Here you could buy some tickets to get into the Pokemon Center to find some unique exclusive items that are only sold at this event, as well as a lot of other things that the Pokemon Center has to offer. There's also the Play Lab where you can learn how to play the TCG card game, which we'll try to check out both of these. So let's go see what we can find.
This sport doesn't build character, it reveals it.
F&A, Cotton, F&A.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to witness the greatest happening in sport.
Pokemon Unite is also here at the Europe International Championships, where they've invited several amazing teams to come and compete right here on the main stage, as well as with the other people. And things are heating up and getting amazing. As well as a power bank station, which is really cool too, where you can charge up your phones and keep everything going for Pokemon Go.
Pokemon go to the polls.
He's ballless now. He doesn't have any balls, Cotton.
And if you want to be a competitor, they have online registration before the events, so make sure you sign up with your Pokemon Play ID. There's plenty of room where you can battle tons of other Pokemon masters. This is just Pokemon Go, where this is everything else. All right, guys, so as I said before, we're here at Europe International Championship for Pokemon. I don't have a competitive team, as I may have said before, so I joined into the Chaos tournament for Pokemon VGC, playing through Scarlet and Violet, which was a lot of fun. They give you a random team. They were kind of based on gym leaders, so it was like an ice team or a water team, and I had 3 rounds. Sadly, it's a little disorganized, and I didn't get there on time for the first one. I was told 4:30. Anyway, long story. Skipping all that, I won like all my matches, and they gave me points. So I have like, I think 120 points right now, which is basically like an arcade. There's a prize section over here, and I get to go take those points and get some cool stuff. But I'm gonna save these up and spend them all on Sunday, as long as I get enough, I hope. We do have a corner here with a few vendors where you can get your own cards, some binders, and some other stuff. And then you also, look over here. All right, guys, so for the wrap up of the Chaos Cup, I played a couple of the rounds, the matchups and everything, the cups, I guess, as a whole. It's 3 rounds for each one. First one, it's a little disorganized. I ended up missing the very first match, so technically I lost it. We did a for fun match. I was able to win that one. I ended up winning the next 2 games, which went really well. In my second cup, it didn't go quite as well. I ended up playing against a Fortress that was really strong. I ended up countering it in the second game with a Weevil who used a Ghost Terror typing, and all he had was a fighting move. So I was able to take care of him, kill up all the rest, but I ended up losing to a timeout. He had more health than I did, and my Weevil couldn't stand up and do enough damage to his iron defenses, his protects, but he couldn't kill me. So we had to go through a whole 20-minute timeout, and I lost that one. I also made a mistake in my second game that time too, where I used an Instruct from a Rangaroo. I misclicked on the wrong Pokemon and ended up costing me the game for that one. And on my third one, I feel like it was just a bad matchup. I had an electric team, and the team didn't have anyone with Volt Absorb, and almost everyone had Discharge as like one of their main attacks. So I really felt limited on what I was able to do. And they had a Houndstone on the Ghost team, and once I knocked out their Pokemon, that thing just tore through me, so with last respect. So it is what it is. Melanie did really well with her build and battle. She was able to win, I believe, all 3 of her matches, and we got quite a few points. So now it's time to go spend those points and see what kind of goodies we can get. Guys, we're in the garden one last time. Wanted to show you guys the prizes we got. We managed to get 410 points between myself and Melanie competing in TCG and VGC. Managed to get some Evolving Skies booster packs and a Mimikyu pin, and the stuff's still going on. And we're gonna go see who's gonna be the master and the champion.
Ouchtown population, you bro!
Sure do like pumpkins, Cotton.
I guess it must be the luck of the Irish. A David and Goliath story truer than the Bible itself.
The bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see what the pays off for him.
What a sport!
Unbelievable!
Ladies and gentlemen, I have been to the Great Wall of China. I have seen
seen the pyramids of Egypt. I've even witnessed a grown man satisfy a camel. But never in all my years as a sportscaster have I witnessed something as improbable, as impossible as what we witnessed here today in a shocking upset.
I feel shocked.
All right, guys, and that's going to be it for us here at the Europe International Championships. It's been a lot of fun. It's been a very fun weekend. It's been a fun week, but that's going to be it. We hope you guys had a good time, and we look forward to seeing you guys in Columbus, Ohio for the next International Championships.
Pikachu.